You can't sing. You can't sing or dance.
I can backflip.
Stop it.
Okay.
Forever. And worst of all, you don't even seem to want this!
What about me? I can sing, dance, and I want this.
You remind me a lot of Matthew McConaughey.
Awesome.
I can't stand Matthew McConaughey. This group can't sing, can't dance, they don't have a song or a look, and they're covered in feathers! And I would rather quit right now than commit pop suicide on Friday in front of the record company. However, there is one song I would love to play for you. Ooh, now that I'm through, banging my head